welcome to our presentation. This is group 2 for English presentation. In our group, there are 5 members, 4146, 4155, 4214, 4216, and 4227. For our presentation, we have chosen sushi. It will be divided into 3 contents. They are history of sushi, different type of sushi, and how to make sushi. So, for 4146 will continue.
First, I will tell you the history of how sushi started. History. Sushi originated from the practice of preserving fish by fermenting in its right format, a tradition which can be traced back through ancient China. It was originated during the dynasty in China. Through modern Japanese culture, sushi evolved through her later resemblance to this original Chinese food. The Japanese name sushi is written with kanji, Chinese characters for Asian Chinese dishes with real little resemblance to today's sushi. When the fermented fish was taken out to be eaten, only the fish was eaten and the rest was discarded. The strong tasting nari sushi, which made real lake beaver, resembled the traditional fermented dish. Starting the Muromachi period 1336-1573 in Japan, rice vinegar was added to the mixture, which exaggerated the sweetness of the dish and made its lifespan longer, while lowering the fermentation process to be shortened and eventually vanished. The following century saw the development of sushi in Osaka, where seafood and rice were pressed into wooden mold, and the dish arrived in Edo, present-day Tokyo, in the middle of the 18th century. It was in Edo that this evolved into what is known as anome sushi in the early 19th century, using fish freshly caught in anome adobe. At the time, it was considered a cheese meat for the common people. It was the anome sushi, which is popular today throughout Japan and the world. Nowadays, sushi has become increasingly popular. Everywhere you look, new restaurants are popping up and the list of fun is growing. Whether you are new to the world of sushi or believe you are a connoisseur, have some interesting fact about the beloved food. Heavily eaten love is because of its low fat and fresh ingredients. Roast fish and seafood varieties have no other why because it keeps the cooking process and all vegetables are left raw. Also, seaweed is the green vegetable loaded with nutrition and iron. Next, 4155 will tell you about the type of sushi.
Types of sushi, nigiri. The variety in sushi arrive from the different fillets and toppings, condiments, and the way these ingredients are put together. Gukan. Small cut made of sushi rice and tied seaweed filled in with seafood, etc. There are countless varieties of gukan sushis, some of the most common ones being sea urchins and various kinds of fish earth. Maki, commonly referred to as sushi roll, a fillet coat of raw fish or vegetable and stock. It's surrounded by a layer of rice and rolled in a thin layer of dry seaweed. Put tightly together, the roll is then kept into bicep feeds, commonly severed in 6 bits, but larger fillets such as soft shaker were used for piece. Ham roll. Similar to the Mickey roll, the ham roll is a single serving portion. Instead of rolling the ingredient into a tube shape, a sushi master rolls a similar portion into a claw. Now the tidy is perfect if you don't feel like sharing. Tamaki sushi, lightly hand-rolled, are whole made of nori seaweed and filled with sushi rice, seafood, and vegetable. Inari sushi is a simple and inexpensive type of sushi, in which sushi rice is filled into average deep-fried tofu birch. နောက်ထပ်ပိုင်းကိုတော့2023ည4နှစ်တလေးမှာပြောပြမှာပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ်
Now I will going to talk about what you will need in sushi. First, 2.5 cups 540 gram koshihikari rice. Koshihikari rice is a short grain rice that has a soft sticky texture when cooked at its arrival from supermarket. Second, 925 mm cold water, 1.5 cup 125 mm rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons castor sugar, 1.5 teaspoons salt, nori sheet, 200 fresh salmon cut into 1 cm thick batons, light soy sauce to serve, wasabi paste to serve, pickled ginger to serve. How to make sushi. There have 5 steps to make a sushi. Step 1. Place the rice in a sieve. Rinse under cold running water to remove any excess starch until water runs clean. Place the rice and water in a large saucepan, cover it over high heat. Bring to the boil, reduce heat to low and cook, cover it for 12 minutes or until all the water is absorbed. Remove from heat, set aside, cover it for 10 minutes to cool slightly. Step 2. Combine the vinegar, sugar, and salt in a small bowl. Transfer the rice to a large glass bowl. Use a wooden pan to break up rice lumps while gradually adding the vinegar mixture. Gently folding the combine. Continue folding and fanning the rice for 15 minutes or until rice is cool. Step 3. Place a sushi mat on a clean surface with slat running horizontally. Place a nori sheet shining side down on the mat. Use wet hands to spread 1/6 of the rice over the nori sheet, leaving a 3 cm wide border along the edge furthest away from you. Step 4. Place salmon and avocado along the center of the rice, all filling in place while rolling the mat over to enclose rice and filling. Repeat with remaining nori, rice, and salmon. Step 5. Use a sharp knife to slice sushi midway into 1.5 thick slices. Place on serving dishes with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger to desire.
Thank you for your attention, and we would like to send credits for information, image, BG music, or art to rightful owner. Thank you once again for joining me.